Now we are doing the exercise 1C. क्वेश्चन 8 तक हो गया हम लोगों का, काफी इजी है क्वेश्चन, सॉरी क्वेश्चन 7 तक हो गया है। इसके पहले के सम्स काफी इजी है, they are just dependent on some formula of indices. Okay, question number 8, 81 x raised to 4 upon y raised to minus 8 is equals to 1/4. I'll write down this as 81 x raised to 4, ये y raised to minus 8 है, तो मैं इस y raised to minus 8 इसको अगर ऊपर लेके आए, इसका रेसिप्रोकल ले ले, तो ये y raised to 8 हो जाएगा। Whole thing is raised to 1/4. So 81 raised to 1/4, x raised to 4 raised to 1/4, y raised to 8 raised to 1/4. 81 is 3 raised to 4 raised to 1/4. This 4 cancel, this will remain x. This will get cancelled and this will become 2. So this will become y square. So this will be 3xy square. And your answer is none of this. Question number 9. This is very interesting. ऐसे questions बहुत आते हैं. X raised to a minus b into x raised to b minus c into x raised to c minus a is equal to. So it is x raised to a minus b into x raised to b minus c into x raised to c minus a. See, now this is the base. When base is same and the index are different, you will add the index. So this will be x, base को same रखेंगे और index को add करेंगे. We are using the formula a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n, the basic formula of indices. So this will be a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. A cancel, C cancel, B cancel, x raised to 0, answer is 1. So what is the answer for the 9th one? It is 1. There is one more kind of a shortcut, I'll say. These are circular functions. See, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Circular होता है तो answer 1 होता है उसका. Now let us go with the next one, 10. The value of 2p square into q cube upon 3xy raised to 0, where p, q, x, y are not 0. Then, see, anything raised to 0 is 1. Yes, 11th one. Now this is very big. 3 raised to 3 into 2 into 4 raised to 3 into 2 into 5 raised to 3 into 2. Whole thing upon 3 raised to 2 into 3, 4 raised to 3 into 2. Sorry, 3 into 2, yes. And 5 raised to 2 into 3. Answer is, now let us write down 3 raised to 3, bracket raised to 2 is 3 raised to 6. Into 4 raised to, this is also 6. Into 5 raised to, this is also 6. Whole thing upon, this is also 3 raised to 6, 4 raised to 6, 5 raised to 6. Your answer is 1. Now they are asking which is true. 2 raised to 0 is greater than 1/2 raised to 0. This is 1, this is 1. They are not greater, they is not small. They are equal. And now the 13th sum. This is also a very common type of a sum. ये बहुत बार ऐसे sum आके गए exam में. It is x raised to 1 by p is equals to q raised to 1 by q is equals to z raised to 1 by r. X, y, z is 1. you have to find the value of P plus Q plus R. X raised to 1 by P is equals to Y raised to 1 by Q is equals to Z raised to 1 by R. I will say let everything be equal to K. This is nothing but in proportion. So X raised to 1 by P is equals to K. By rules of indices, X is equals to K raised to P. See, root 4 is equals to 2. Root 4 मतलब क्या? 4 raised to 1 by 2. That is 2. So what is 4? 4 is 2 square. ये जब 1 by 2 इधर चला जाता है तो ये 2 बन जाता है. वही है, ये 1 by P जब इधर चला आया तो ये P बन गया. So X raised to 1 by P is equals to Y raised to 1 by Q is equals to Z raised to 1 by R. I have said it is equal to K. So X raised to 1 by P is equal to K. X is equals to K raised to P. Y raised to 1 by Q is equals to K. Y is equals to K raised to Q. Z raised to 1 by R is equals to K. Z is equals to K raised to R. Now they have said X, Y, Z is equals to 1. So in place of X, I'll put this K raised to P into K raised to Q into K raised to R is equals to 1. By rules of indices, this can be written as K raised to P plus Q plus R is equals to 1 है. 1 की जगह पे मैं लिख सकती हूँ K raised to 0 because anything raised to 0 is 1. Now see, in base is same. So I will equate the index. So I will get P plus Q plus R is equals to 0. Yes, 0 is your answer here. Now, the value of this, obviously they are getting multiplied. So you will add the numerator. Sorry, you will add the index. So it will be Y raised to A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. Minus A plus A cancel. Minus C plus C cancel. Plus B minus B cancel. You are getting Y raised to A minus B. Please check it in the new module. I think in my module, the question is wrong. And the print was very small, so I couldn't make out. This is minus A minus B. So now we'll again solve this. This will become Y raised to A minus B. This all, the index will get added. So it will be plus B minus C plus C minus A minus B. तो ये C कैंसल, B कैंसल, ये A और ये A कैंसल, तो आपको मिलेगा Y raised to minus A minus B. That is Y raised to minus into bracket A plus B. So that is 1 upon Y raised to A plus B. D is your answer. Let us take the next one. The true option is X raised to 2 by 3 is cube root of X square. Yes, this is true. Because see how to evaluate this. X raised to 2 by 3 means X square bracket raised to 1 by 3. That is cube root of X square. अब इन्होंने इधर दिया है X raised to 2 by 3 is equals to under root of X cube. No. रूट उसका होगा जो डिनोमिनेटर में है, तो ये रॉन्ग है. X raised to 2 by 3 is greater than X raised cube root of X square. No, because they are equal. X raised to 2 by 3 is less than. No, so this is your answer. This is very typical rule of indices. ये शायद स्कूल में जब पढ़ा रहे थे तब ये नहीं था. Just to make the matters clear, I'll just take an example and tell you. See, A raised to M by N is A raised to M bracket raised to 1 by N. This is a nth root of A raised to M. दिस इज द रूल। ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है ये रूट होगा और ये जो है न्यूमरेटर ये उसका पावर होगा। You can take any number and try this thing. So if I take 3, this is 3 raised to 4 bracket raised to 1 by 3. That is cube root of 3 raised to 4 is 81. ये इस तरह से लिखा जाता है, तो आपको हमेशा इसको याद रखना है। Next, the simplified value of 16 x raised to minus 3 y square into 8 raised to minus 1 x raised to 3 y raised to minus 2. 16 is 2 raised to 4. X raised to minus 3 and x raised to 3. So x raised to minus 3 plus 3. Y raised to 2 into y raised to minus 2. That will be actually, that is actually y raised to 2 plus of minus 2, that is minus 2. And 8 raised to minus 1 is 2 raised to 3 bracket raised to minus 1. So it will become 2 raised to minus 3. ये 1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा. 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to minus 3 will become this. Your answer is 2. If you want, you can solve it by other method also. Other method is 16. ये x raised to minus 3 है तो ये denominator में चला जाएगा. ये y square इधर ही रहेगा. ये 8 raised to minus 1 है तो ये 8 इधर आ जाएगा, जो जिसका पावर निगेटिव है वो नीचे आ जाएगा. ये x क्यूब रहेगा, ये y स्क्वायर रहेगा. आप इसको कैंसिल करो, इसको कैंसिल करो. योर आंसर इज 2. Similarly, 8 raised to 27 bracket raised to minus 1 by 3. 8 raised to 8 upon 27. 8 upon 27 is 2 by 3 bracket cube. क्योंकि 8 is 2 cube, 27 is 3 cube. Whole bracket raised to minus 1 by 3 into 32 upon 243 raised to minus 1 by 5. 32 is 2 raised to 5. 243 is 3 raised to 5. Bracket raised to minus 1 by 5. This cancel, this cancel. You will get 2 by 3 raised to minus 1 into 2 by 3 raised to minus 1. That is 2 by 3 raised to minus 2. That is 1 upon 2 by 3 square. That is 1 upon 4 by 9. That will be 9 by 4. You have the answer 9 by 4. ये निगेटिव था ना पावर इसका, तो हम लोगों ने उसको डिनोमिनेटर में शिफ्ट कर दिया. Sum number 18. The value of x plus y bracket raised to 2 by 3 into x minus y bracket raised to 3 by 2 upon under root x plus y into under root x minus y cube whole bracket raised to 6. तो ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, हम लोग पहले इसका सम लिख लेते हैं. This can be written as x plus y raised to 2 by 3, x minus y raised to 3 by 2. This is x plus y raised to 1 by 2. This will be x minus y raised to 3 by 2. क्योंकि अंडर रूट है ना तो ये 3 by 2 हो जाएगा. Whole thing raised to 6. This and this will get cancelled. Now here x plus y raised to 2 by 3. ये ऊपर आ जाएगा तो ये होगा x plus y raised to minus 1 by 2. Whole bracket raised to 6. x plus y क्योंकि बेस सेम है तो 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. whole thing raised to 6. X plus y, 4 minus 3 by 6, whole thing raised to 6. X plus y, 1 by 6, bracket raised to 6, cancel, your answer is x plus y. अब ये ऐसे सम्स है, आप देखो यहाँ पे आप ना कोई ऑप्शन नहीं ट्राई कर सकते. You can't try the options here. You will have to solve. 19th, the simplified of 125 raised to 2 by 3 into under root 25. One 25 raised to 2 by 3 into under root 25 into cube root of 5 cube. Into 5 raised to 1 by 2. So this is 125 is 5 cube, bracket raised to 2 by 3. 25 is 5 square, bracket raised to 1 by 2. Cube root of 5 cube is 5 cube, bracket raised to 1 by 3. And 5 raised to 1 by 2. 3, 3 cancel, 3, 3 cancel. 2, 2 cancel. 5 square into 5 into 5 into 5 raised to 1 by 2. This is 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 1 by 2. That will be 5 raised to 4 plus 1 by 2. That is 5 raised to 9 by 2. Answer is 5 raised to 9 by 2 and your answer is none of this. Now 20. See, इतना बड़ा sum है and they have asked you whether it is a fraction, integer or 1. And because it is indices, it can be anything. It can be fraction, it can be integer. So we'll have to solve this. So 2 raised to 1 by 2. So if this is your sum, this is 2 raised to 1 by 2. 4 is nothing but 2 raised to 2, bracket raised to 3 by 2. 8 is 2 raised to 3, bracket raised to 5 by 6. 16 is 2 raised to 4, bracket raised to 7 by 8. Then 32 is 2 raised to 5, bracket raised to 9 by 10. Whole thing is raised to 4 into 3 by 25. अब ये तो 2 raised to 1 by 2 ऐसे ही रहेगा. ये 2 cancel, ये 2 raised to 3 हो गया. ये cancel, ये 2 raised to 5 by 2 हो गया. This 4 and this will become 7 by 2. 2 raised to 7 by 2 and this will become 9 by 2. Whole thing raised to 12 by 25. So this will be 2 raised to 1 by 2 plus 3 plus 5 by 2 plus 7 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Whole thing raised to 12 by 25. This is 2 raised to 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is 6 by 2. 6 by 2 plus 7 by 2, 13 by 2. 13 by 2 plus 9 by 2 is 22 by 2. 22 by 2 plus 3, whole thing raised to 12 by 25. This will become 11. So 2 raised to 2 raised to 14 into 12 by 22. You did not solve it. Your options are a fraction, an integer, 1 or none of this. It is an integer because 2 raised to any power is not a fraction. और यहाँ पे कुछ भी माइनस होने के भी चांसेस नहीं है, तो ये इंटीजर आएगा. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप ऑप्शन ट्राई नहीं कर सकते, उससे कोई आंसर नहीं आएगा, तो सॉल्व ही करना
मैम
पड़ता है। 21
से आंसर
सब नंबर
मैम
21, this is sum number 21. I'll start from here. It will be 1 minus this is 1 minus x square bracket raised to minus 1. It will become 1 upon 1 minus x square bracket raised to minus 1 bracket raised to minus 1 by 2. अब मैं इसको और इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि ये -1 सिर्फ इसके लिए है. So this will be 1 minus x square minus 1 upon 1 minus x square whole thing raised to minus 1. Whole thing raised to minus 1 by 2. ये 1 कैंसिल हो गया. अब ये भी रेस टू -1 है तो इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल आएगा, तो आपको मिलेगा 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. क्योंकि ये रेस टू -1 है ना, तो इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल करना पड़ेगा. होल थिंग रेस टू -1 by 2. This -1 will become +1. So 1 plus 1 minus x square upon x square whole thing raised to -1 by 2. Again cross multiplication, x square plus 1 minus x square upon x square whole thing raised to -1 by 2. X square cancel. 1 upon x square will become x raised to -1 by 2 whole bracket. Sorry, x raised to 2 minus 2 whole bracket raised to -1 by 2. 2 cancel, minus will become plus. Your answer is x. A. Now let us solve 22. It is also of the same type. और मैं इसको इधर ही solve करती हूँ, छोटा है. X raised to n bracket raised to n minus 1 by n. So I will cross multiply. I will say n square minus 1 upon n. Whole bracket raised to 1 upon n plus 1. This n and this n will get cancelled. This will become n raised to n square minus 1 is n minus 1, n plus 1, whole thing upon n plus 1. This and this cancel. Your answer is x raised to n minus 1. C is your answer. बहुत बार होता क्या है, बच्चे जब इंडाइसिस पढ़ते तो वो भूल जाते फैक्टराइजेशन डीफैक्टराइजेशन के बारे में. मैथ्स इज नॉट अ सब्जेक्ट लाइक एक टॉपिक चालू है तो दूसरे के बारे में कोई संबंध नहीं है. नहीं, आज तक सीखा हुआ सब इसमें आएगा. इंडाइसिस आएंगे, फैक्टराइजेशन आएगा, रेसिप्रोकल आएगा, डिवीजन आएगा, एवरीथिंग विल कम. That's why it becomes difficult. You know why maths is difficult? People think it so क्योंकि वो accumulative होता है. आज तक का पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन उसमें आएगा, किसी और सब्जेक्ट के जैसा नहीं जिसमें वो उसी टॉपिक के रिलेटेड वही पे होता है. वेरी फ्यू सब्जेक्ट्स आर लाइक दिस, यू नो, जहां पे उसी टॉपिक के रिलेटेड होता है, लेकिन मैथ्स में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. नाउ they've said if a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, then simplify this. This is again a very interesting part. X raised to L upon X raised to M can be written as X raised to L minus M. Bracket raised to L square plus LM plus M square. ये काफी बड़ा है तो हम लोग उसको बोर्ड पे सॉल्व करते हैं. This is your sum and you have to find out the value. Now see, using the laws of indices, X raised to L upon X raised to M can be written as X raised to L minus M. Whole thing raised to L square plus ML plus M square. This is by the rule, it is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is nothing but a cube minus b cube. So this will be L cube minus M cube. This is the rule. This is the rule. They have already given it to you. उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिया है a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Then this is x raised to m minus n bracket raised to m square plus mn plus n square. Then x raised to n minus l, bracket raised to n square plus nl plus l square. This is x raised to m cube minus n cube, x raised to n cube minus l cube. Now I can write this as x raised to l cube minus m cube plus m cube minus n cube plus n cube minus l cube. Cancel. X raised to 0, your answer is 1. मैं वापस बोलूंगी, ये जब सर्कुलर फंक्शन में रहता है ना, सर्कुलर मतलब क्या, देखो x रेज़ टू l अपॉन x रेज़ टू m, फिर m अपॉन n, फिर n अपॉन l, तो इससे इसमें इंडाइसेस में जनरली वैल्यू 1 होती है. जनरली आई एम सेइंग 24. Using a minus b whole bracket cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Pick the correct of these when x is equals to p raised to 1 by 3 into p raised to minus 1 by 3. X is equals to p raised to 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1 by 3. Is it minus or plus? Minus. अब सारे ऑप्शंस आप लोग इधर देखो, सारे ऑप्शन में उन्होंने क्या किया है, एक्स क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू कुछ दिया है, एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3x, एक्स क्यूब, एक्स क्यूब. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, हम लोग भी इसका क्यूब ले लेंगे. तो लेट अस टेक क्यूब. नाउ व्हाट इज a माइनस b होल ब्रैकेट क्यूब? इट इज a क्यूब माइनस 3ab into a minus b cube. This is the formula of a cube, a minus b whole bracket cube. उन्होंने भी दिया है, वही फॉर्मूला को यूज करेंगे हम लोग इधर. तो दिस विल बी x क्यूब p क्यूब, p रेज़ टू 1 by 3 ब्रैकेट क्यूब minus 3 p रेज़ टू 1 by 3 into p रेज़ टू minus 1 by 3 into p रेज़ टू 1 by 3 into p रेज़ टू minus 1 by 3, 3ab into bracket a minus b minus p raised to minus 1 by 3 bracket cube. This and this cancel. This and this cancel. This will become 1. P raised to 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1 by 3, it will become 1. So x cube is equals to p minus 3. ये तो 1 हो गया. ये है p raised to minus 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1 by 3 minus p raised to minus 1. I'll write down this as x cube is equals to p minus 1 by p. P raised to minus 1 is minus 1 by p minus 3 and this is x. तो ये x इधर चला जाएगा, आपको मिलेगा x cube is equals to p minus 1 by p. See if you have the answer. X cube plus 3x is equals to p minus 1 by p. B is your answer. ये माइनस 3x इधर आ गया, x क्यूब प्लस 3x, यहाँ पे p minus 1 by p. Now this is your answer. It is given in the option. In sum number 20, this was 3 by 4, 2 raised to 3 by 4. ये 3 by 2, 3 by 2, तो आंसर 2 raised to 6 आ रहा है. वो रॉन्ग हो गया था क्योंकि मैंने इधर लिखते वक्त 3 by 2 लिखा था, 4 नहीं लिखा था, इसलिए वो रॉन्ग हो गया था. Sub number 25 and we need to simplify this. This is, I can write this as 1 upon 1 plus a raised to m upon a raised to n plus a raised to m upon a raised to p. अब यहाँ पे ना डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वलाइज करना पड़ेगा, तो यहाँ पे मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी a raised to n into a raised to m से, तो यहाँ पे ये आ जाएगा, if I multiply this side by a raised to n into a raised to n into a raised to p, प्लस डिनोमिनेटर इक्वलाइज करने के लिए इधर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी a रेस टू p के साथ और इधर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी a रेस टू n के साथ, तो मुझे एक कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर मिलेगा a रेस टू n इंटू a रेस टू p. दिस इज रिटन एज 1 अपॉन a रेस टू n प्लस p प्लस a रेस टू m प्लस p प्लस a रेस टू m प्लस n. This is a raised to n plus p, और ये denominator of denominator will come and multiply with the numerator. This is what I'll get. This only for the first one. अब हम लोग इसको करेंगे, तो ये क्या है 1 upon 1 plus a raised to n upon a raised to m plus a raised to n upon a raised to p. Similarly 1 upon a raised to m plus p into plus a raised to n plus p, क्योंकि इधर a रेस टू m है तो सिर्फ a रेस टू p से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. a रेस टू m प्लस n होल थिंग अपॉन a रेस टू m इंटू a रेस टू p. ये डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर चला जाएगा, ये बनेगा a रेस टू m प्लस p अपॉन a रेस टू m प्लस p प्लस a रेस टू n प्लस p प्लस a रेस टू m प्लस n होल थिंग. Same will do with this. Will get a raised to m plus n upon a raised to m plus n plus a raised to p plus n plus a raised to p plus m. Now see, if you will see properly, numerator and denominator both are same. All are having same denominator, and we will add the numerator. So we will get a raised to n plus p plus a raised to m plus p plus a raised to m plus n whole thing upon a raised to m n plus p आहे सगळ्यांकडे, so a raised to n plus p, all denominator is having it, plus a raised to m plus p plus a raised to m plus n. Cancel, your answer is 1. And you have the option. There is an answer for this one, 25. Now 26, I'll do it here only. See, x raised to a upon x raised to b is raised to a plus b. This can be written as x raised to a upon x raised to b can be written as x raised to a minus b, bracket raised to a plus b, into x raised to b minus c, bracket raised to b plus c, into x raised to c minus a, bracket raised to c plus a. What is this? A minus b, a plus b is x raised to a square minus b square into x raised to b square minus c square into x raised to c square minus a square. इनको ऐड करेंगे आप, a square cancel, b square cancel, c square cancel, x raised to 0. Your answer is 1. वो था x raised to a upon x raised to b, whole thing raised to a plus b, x raised to b upon x raised to c, whole thing raised to b plus c, and everything is getting multiplied. x raised plus होगा तो indices के रूल काम ही नहीं करते. This will become x raised to a minus b, bracket raised to a plus b. This is nothing but x raised to a square minus b square. Similarly, this will become x raised to b square minus c square, and this is x raised to c square minus a square. क्योंकि बेस सेम है तो हम लोग इंडेक्स को ऐड कर देंगे. a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. a square cancel, c square cancel, b square cancel. Answer is x raised to 0, and that is 1. See, this is again circular. A by b, b by c, c by a. Again circular. Circular and function, indices, answer is 1. Circular नाही जरी लक्षात राहिलं तरी it is important for you to know that how to solve the sum. इसको कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, इस टॉपिक को, इंडाइसेस को तो कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है. Let us take sum number 28. X raised to a is equals to b, b raised to y is equals to c, c raised to z is a. Find then the value of x, y, z. A raised to x is b, B raised to Y is C. C raised to Z is A. What is C? C is B raised to Y, bracket raised to Z is A. What is B? B is A raised to X, bracket raised to Y, bracket raised to Z is A. So A raised to XYZ is equals to A. Now this A is raised to 1. So XYZ is raised equals to 1. Your answer is 1. See, again, this is circular. X raised to A, X raised to B. B is C, C A. Answer will be 1. Let us solve this. X raised to A upon X raised to B, bracket raised to A square plus AB plus B square, into X raised to B upon X raised to C, B square plus BC plus C square, into X raised to C upon X raised to A, C square plus AC plus A square. This can be written as X raised to A minus B, and A square plus AB plus B square. This is the formula of A cube minus B cube. X raised to A cube minus B cube. Equations में ही मैंने ये factorization के formula लिख के दिए थे. Then this will be X raised to B minus C, bracket raised to B square plus BC plus C square. Then this will be X raised to C minus A, C square plus AC plus A square. This is X raised to B cube minus C cube. X raised to C cube minus A cube. This will be X raised to A cube minus B cube plus B cube minus C cube plus C cube minus A cube. Cancel. X raised to 0 answer is 1. Circular है, आंसर क्या होगा? 1. Indices है ना, इसलिए 1. Now the last sum of indices, 2 raised to X is equals to 3 raised to Y is equals to 6 raised to minus Z. ये आके गया, 2-3 बार आके गया है ये सम. लास्ट के जो तीनों सम से वो आके गए हैं एग्जाम में. 2 raised to X is equals to 3 raised to Y is 6 raised to minus Z. I'll say everything is equal to K. So 2 raised to X is K. 2 is equal to K raised to 1 by X. 3 raised to Y is K. 3 is equal to K raised to 1 by Y. 6 raised to minus Z is K. 6 is equals to K raised to minus 1 by Z. Now we know very well 6 is equals to 2 into 3. That is K raised to minus 1 by Z is equals to K raised to 1 by X into K raised to 1 by Y. That is K raised to minus 1 by Z is equals to K raised to 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So minus 1 by Z is 1 by X plus 1 by Y. This will come here. So I will get 1 by X plus 1 by Y plus 1 by Z is equals to 0. This is your answer. This is your answer. With this, we have finished with indices.